So first of all, thank you, sir, for taking out time and presenting on the good work Government of Karnataka is doing in the e-governance space. We really appreciate your presence here. So now what we wanted to ask, this is being the IMB's first digital summit. How has been your experience?
Thank you for having me here. IMB being the premier institute in this entire country and of course one of the premier institutes across the globe. It's very, I'm very glad that I could attend the session, and the digital summit has been very well organized with a lot of speakers from across various strata in the society, and I'm sure the audience here and the participants as such would be highly benefited from the entire deliberations which are going to happen here, because I see you have people from the industry, from the government, from various other sectors as well. So this is going to be a very good summit, I'm sure, and I'm hopeful that the entire participant community here, as well as people who are going to view this entire session maybe when you upload it, I'm sure they'll all be greatly benefited.
So thank you for the nice words, Dr. Ratan Kelkar. So now that you see there are so many synergies that we see in the private sector, and the government also is moving into digitization, what role do you foresee that MBA graduates who leave from here can play in the digitization in the e-governance space?
So the government as such is now looking at hand-in-hand approach with the industry, and one of the places where we get all this ideas, innovations to a large extent is from the startup community. So the startup community itself we are working very closely with. For example, if you look at the Karnataka Mobile One, which is one of the biggest platforms in this country, we have to a large extent support of the startup companies, and they have onboarded most of their services, and the people are accessing these services through our platform. So that is a kind of synergy we are looking at having in the future. And of course the MBA graduates as part of the Digital India concept itself, we are looking at creating a lot of job opportunities within the country, and we are looking at branding and making the brand of Digital India very big. So I'm sure that the graduates who are coming out of such premier institutes will get absorbed into the system and contribute to the country in a big way. So I see a lot of positive trends happening. I'm sure that the people who are passing out would also be equally participative in this entire national building by chipping in whatever format they can.
A short brief on the landmark initiative which is being carried out by Government Karnataka Mobile One, which you just spoke of. A little bit perspective on that, because I think it will give us, our audience, what good work Government of Karnataka is doing.
So the Karnataka Mobile One as a concept was perceived based on the penetration of mobiles which is happening across the globe. So in India, if you look at the rural market also, there's a high amount of penetration of mobile phones. So looking at this, mobile is now a tool in the hands of a citizen. He is now empowered. So using that, the government has also thought that we should be able to deliver all the services to him in whatever way possible. So over a period of time, this Mobile One has been given shape, and now as a project, this is catering to a lot of the services to the citizens. So we already have about 37 departments onboarded. We have more than 4,000 services, out of which 650 services are from the government sector itself. And in the future, we are looking at having most of these mobile-enabled services on the at the fingertips of citizens, so that they will be able to access this, and they need not run around departments or various government entities to get their services delivered or their grievances redressed. So the power is now in the mobile, and the government is looking at moving slowly from this e-governance to m-governance. That is one of the other bigger thought process which is running in the minds of people in the government, because whatever technology is providing and which is already available, we need to start supplying those, because the demand has already started from the people. So people know that this is one device which will make my life simpler and easier. So that is what is also being understood by the government, and we are looking at proactively working towards realization of their requirements.
So thank you so much, Dr. Ratan Kelkar, your perspective on how to leverage mobile with the government side, what good work Government of Karnataka is doing. we are really privileged that you took out time and gave a session on e-governance of India, and we look forward to many more sessions in the future.
Thank you.
For your time.